Hello everyone, this is Anindya Bhomik and currently studying at University of Vasa at Industrial Systems Analytics. And my intention was like I just got the course of Python in the last semester. It is actually governed by Mr. Yanni Paivaranta. And at first, I want to say that I didn't have too much knowledge about the Python, but after having this course, I have tried my best to learn uh, many of the things from him, and then I'm practicing, try to practice every day by watching the YouTube videos as well as making YouTube, ChatGPT, and Microsoft Copilot as my mentor to take much more lesson. So whatever I want to just show at first, I want to say that I worked in Bangladesh for a long time in the scheduled commercial bank, and from that I was just planning for to create a dashboard for them based on the data. So then I just requested them, and I just got two dummy data based on the 2024. These are the two data. This is the April 2024 data and the September 2024 data. It's very tiny data. It's a very small data. This data is based on the utility bill payment only. So my intention was to compare these two data and create the dashboard to analyze the performance of the retailer who actually pay the bill on behalf of the customers. So at first I just create this database and upload this to file, and then I just I wanted to compare the analytical thing by the SQL code, and what I have just put it in here. For the Python, I sometimes use the PyCharm as well as in the VS Code. This is the actual code behind this. So whatever I'm just trying to learn, that is like I use the plotly and the dash here. So it's a very beginning level of the um, interactive design. So it's like I'm just still practicing and try to learn much more thing every week or every month. So it's all about like it's a very basic places I'm just now standing on. And I got the data of the map from one of the Bangladesh guy. He actually uploaded the longitude and latitude of different district of our country Bangladesh in the Kaggle. So I download this data, and this is actually based on the JSON format. So what I have just put it here, and my intention was to create the analytical story based on this four SQL query. So what I have just put it here in the database, and this is all about like the other thing which is actually based on to create this dashboard. So these are all the code actually based on the different color fragment and different things which actually create this which actually helps to create this dashboard. So what I just want to show, if I just now run this program, so what happened I want to show. So like yes, uh, this is the link where if I just go to this link and just select this browser and put this link here. If I just run this program, yes, so this is the data dashboard actually coming, and it actually fetching the data from the MySQL server. Yes, where the data is here, and this query is actually running. Whatever it is actually showing the performance of the six six mostly total bill amount. The based on this data is actually based on the total bill amount. So this retailer, the Mijan store, who is the highest bill payment agent, and the lowest bill payment is the Samsung store. So if I just again check the successful transaction here, where we also found that the 32.7% bill actually paid by Mijan store, and the lowest one is the like the Johor Telecom and the servicing there, they are the lowest one. And if I just focus on this district analysis, then we would found like yes, this is also taking the data from the map, and it's our country map. Actually I'm focusing on this is the country map, and here is in the Bangladesh. And if we actually zoom this thing and pointing this cursor to different district, this is the district name which is the Mymensingh. And this average bill amount, this is actually showing here that who this color, the yellow color, is actually showing the Rajshahi district, which is the biggest collector of the average bill amount. And the other part where actually the bill amount average per month is actually very low than the 50K. So every data, based on this data, every color is just the blue color, the deep blue color. So if I just put my cursor into different uh, district longitude and the latitude, and we found the data is just showing right in this point. So I just to show this little bit of tiny work to my professor also, as well as other teacher also. So they are trying to say like, okay, you can make this much more interactive in the future. You just work on this thing and try to put much more data in the future. So that would actually give you some a lesson to learn. So I'm trying to focus on this thing also, as well as I try to learn much more thing. My intention was to work with the data thing, not only the small data, but also I have interest to learn much more thing by using the medium sized data. And in the future I want to work with the big data also. So this is all about like my beginning, and I'm trying to actually learn, try to learn every week. Sometimes I try to learn 2 or 3 days a week. So it's all about my beginning journey. So let's I'm just hopeful that I could learn much more good from the YouTube channels, the ChatGPT, and as well as the Microsoft Copilot. Yes, I would say that I'm not a professional programmer, but my intention was to know a lot about this Python thing, because it's the in the coming times there are much more thing can be done by Python. So my intention was to learn more deeply, so every day. So I would say like I want to focus on this thing to analyze the data more deeply. Thank you very much.